paano sila nag-decide na, okay, dito sila titira, like sa Alicante, sa Salamanca, sa Extremadura, sa Barcelona, sa Madrid, some of them are in Granada, in Seville, in Oviedo. So I wanted to make sure bakit dun sila nagstay. So I did have them fill out semi-questionnaire and paano sila nag-come up with that. And I put it all together and we'll talk about it. So definitely this is not just my opinion, but a lot of other people's opinion as well, and a lot of other families as well. So let's start with sabihin daw, know thyself and your priorities. So ano daw ba yung priorities mo, and of course, ano yung situation mo personally. So bago ka pa even to like look at the map of Spain, bago ka pa manood ng mga TikTok videos or mga, I guess some people also do daily vlogs on YouTube. So bago ka pa nun, there's like 4 crucial questions na kailangan mo daw tanong sa sarili mo. Ano yung realistic monthly budget? So this like after taxes, after social security, after anything, utilities like that, ano yung realistic na monthly budget mo? And then, pangalawa, ano yung lifestyle na not just like, of course, the lifestyle that we dream of is we don't have to work. I don't think anyone ever dreams of like, oh, the lifestyle that I want is me working, So, ano yung lifestyle that you think is reasonable on the budget that you're gonna put aside? And then, of course, ano yung mga professional needs mo? So, since your visa is very dependent on you earning your income with the digital nomad visa, I definitely find this very helpful. Thank you, 1010. Don't know yung 1010. But thank you, 1010, for putting this down because it definitely was not on my mind when I was like writing down notes. But niremind niya ako na kailangan mo din daw yun isipin. Yung like professionally, how do you grow from here? And then, of course, how important sa'yo yung Filipino community. So, yun yung 4 na questions that they said it was really helpful for them to narrow down where to live in Spain. So, unahin natin yung number 1. So, ano ba yung realistic monthly budget? I think, last week, I did a video of like the cost of living personally here in Spain. So of course, we also talked about the cost of living of other DMVs here on last week's live. So medyo may idea na most of you kung paano yung cost of living sa Spain